Jason here with My Office Help, bringing you another one of our Top Tip Tuesday videos. Every level of your business involves sales of some sort, from your direct sales team out in the field, to your technicians, on up to the owners. This is also true for your office staff. A CSR is not just a friendly voice over the phone. They can also be a powerful sales tool. And all too often, estimates are left in the field, never to be heard from again. Having your office team engage directly in that follow-up can help you capture potentially tens of thousands of dollars a year in extra revenue and help reduce your customer acquisition cost. Our top tips this week are all about how your office team can go from being revenue negative to profit-generating machines. Tip number one, know what you're selling. Your office team, they're not there because they're highly trained technicians, and you shouldn't expect them to be. More often than not, that's actually a benefit when it comes to sales because they relate to the product the same way your customer does. If you're on a push for indoor air quality products, make sure your office staff understands the basic principles. Beyond that, it's vital they understand the pros of having those products in the home. What makes it worthwhile? What's in it for the customer? Knowing easy answers to those questions is far more important than knowing the technical details of the product. Tip number two, confidence. Go through the product with your team in the same way you do with the customer in the home. It makes a big difference when they understand the sales process the same way you do. Give them examples of the kind of questions you hear in the home, and make sure they understand how to deliver the answers to those questions with confidence. If they do come across a question they can't answer, they should still answer with confidence and assure the customer they'll reach out to the technician and get them an answer as soon as possible. People are much more likely to approve an estimate if they feel the whole team understands their needs. Tip number three, you're not selling a product. Grandpa Red instilled in this company a long time ago that when you're in the field, you're not selling a product or service, you're selling yourself. A customer buys into you, and what they're approving is an experience, not a product. They need to feel that they can trust you and your team first and foremost. When your office team is following up on estimates, that's a big part of the process. Friendliness, professionalism, and passion will sell better than any brochure or fancy pitch. Let the customer know what the pros of the product are, but never pressure them. Never use scare tactics and talk as little as possible. Leave space for the customer to talk themselves into the product, with you just answering their questions with confidence and assurance along the way. There you have it, our top tips for helping turn your office team into a revenue-generating machine. For assistance with all your office needs, including a confident and professional office team to follow up on your estimates, give us a call at 618-681-4030. That's 618-681-4030. Or you can book your free Discovery Consultation online at myofficehelp.com. I'll be back next week with more top tips, but in the meantime, remember, do what you do best and let us do the rest.